Fehin, nabrira neavrilta, sanam shirchacha. The irregular verbs in the past tense. So, there are a handful of irregular verbs in Irish. Sometimes they behave themselves, sometimes they don't, but you have to memorize what they do. So this chapter is giving you the past tense of these irregular verbs. Vime, I was. You know that already. Hanik me, I saw. Hula me, I heard. Rinya me, I did or made. Hug me, I gave. Hanig me, I came. Rug me, I took hold of. Fur me, I got. Dih me, I etted, I ate. Dort me, I said. Hui me, I went. Okay? So you just have to memorize them, and they give you sentences to practice with and to do them over and over and over and over. And of course, these they give you in the first person singular, but you can do the same thing. Hanakamar, Rugamar, the third person plural does that attached ending. Everything else pretty much is that plus the pronoun, right? So Hanak Sheed, Hanak She, Hanak She, and so forth. So practice, practice, practice.